Glaxo Wellcome brand is a guarantee of absolute quality. This plant is dedicated to the manufacture of the cephalosporin antibiotics, Zinacef and Fortum the injectables, and Zinat the oral tablet or liquid suspension. Production methods must meet massive worldwide demand whilst retaining minute attention to precision and quality.
Sterility is an all or nothing, it's an absolute, if you like. There's no such thing as partial sterility, partial success. Nothing can be left to chance in a sterile plant.
The manufacturing process is totally enclosed. These sterilizing filters ensure all microorganisms are removed before the material enters the process.
We're skilled men that not only understand the nuts and bolts of the job that we're doing, but we also understand the implications of not doing the job to the right standards.
Deep inside this air mill, unique technology blasts the antibiotic particles into each other. They shatter into microscopic particles, an ultrafine powder, enabling Zinacef to be injected painlessly into the muscle as well as the vein.
When you're producing a product that is going to be injected into somebody who is seriously ill and whose life or well-being might be dependent on that product, it's absolutely critical that we build quality in at every stage that we can. And the quality that we build in is the highest that we can possibly attain for the whole of our industry.
Multiple barrier technology safeguards the product from contamination. The sterile, tamper-proof seals are only removed when the injectable powder is required for filling into vials. Equal attention is given to oral formulations, which are continually monitored and tested. The particles of the drug incorporated into Zinat suspension are encapsulated with wax, designed to mask the taste of the drug, but to allow release of the antibiotic in the stomach.
At all stages of our process, through raw materials, through the production and through the packaging areas, we have systems which check and check again to ensure that we consistently exceed our customer requirements.
Every component supplier must also meet stringent quality specifications. Despite this, the company tests that their rigorous standards are met every time. These vials are washed in specially treated double distilled water prior to sterilization in a hot air oven. Before filling, they're silicone coated to ensure that the exact dose of Zinacef solution can be administered and not a drop is wasted. This ultra-sensitive metal detector scans each full vial to guarantee no metal particulates are present. Vials are examined again and again to ensure they remain in perfect condition. The same care and monitoring goes into making oral cephalosporins. Tablets must always meet exact specifications, so the drug is released into the stomach at a predictable rate. The film coating has to be a precise thickness. Too thin, and the tablet will dissolve in the mouth. Too thick, and it won't dissolve at all. This laboratory simulation of the human stomach checks that the performance of the coating is perfect, and that the tablet releases the cephalosporin within 40 seconds. Laboratory specialists test every aspect of the product at every stage of production.
I believe we have an absolutely excellent staff, very highly qualified, very highly skilled in terms of the experience that they've developed over many years.
Throughout manufacture, there are over 800 individual quality checks, from arrival of raw materials until the packaged cephalosporins leave the plant for distribution. At Glaxo Wellcome, skilled teams work together to produce the high-quality pharmaceuticals used with total confidence all over the world.
The presence of the Glaxo name on the box means to me that something has been manufactured to the highest possible levels of manufacture that there could possibly be throughout the industry, and that there will be reliability of that product 100% of the time with no compromises on quality.